Unlocking English. Mastering phrasal prepositions and conditions. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today we're delving into the world of phrasal prepositions. Specifically, we'll focus on their functions in indicating condition. Let's begin this exciting journey to understand and use these vital language tools in your English speaking and writing. First off, let's refresh our memory. What exactly are phrasal prepositions? Well, these are prepositional phrases that function as single prepositions. They are made up of multiple words, often providing specific or complex meanings. Common examples are, in addition to, on behalf of, in the event of, and so on. Now, on to our main topic. Indicating condition with phrasal prepositions. These are used to express a specific situation or state that affects the outcome of an event. They answer the questions, under what circumstances, or, given what situation. Let's consider the phrasal preposition, in the event of. We often use it when we want to indicate a particular situation that might happen and how to respond to it. For instance, in the event of rain, the picnic will be moved indoors. To truly understand this, let's look at some examples. In case of emergency, break the glass. In the absence of evidence, the defendant was acquitted. In light of recent events, the meeting has been postponed. You can see how each phrase sets a condition that influences the action in the sentence. Now it's your turn. Try to create your own sentences using these phrasal prepositions. Practice makes perfect. Let's recap what we've learned today. 1. Phrasal prepositions are prepositional phrases that function as single prepositions. 2. They play a crucial role in indicating condition, answering, under what circumstances, or, given what situation. 3. Common phrasal prepositions used for indicating condition include, in the event of, in case of, in the absence of, and, in light of. And that's a wrap on today's topic, indicating condition with phrasal prepositions. I hope you found this lesson valuable and that it adds to your understanding and fluency in English. Remember, the key to mastering language is practice, so don't hesitate to put what you've learned today into use. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll continue to explore the captivating world of English grammar. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.